The Paper Infinity Cube, a viral TikTok fidget toy you can make yourself. This amazing DIY stress relief toy folds and flips endlessly. It's super fun to play with, and even more fun to build. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create your own paper Infinity Cube, a colorful, clever fidget toy that boosts focus and creativity. Here's what you'll need. Colored paper. Use 4 different colors for a cool effect. Scissors, glue, regular glue or a glue stick. We'll start by folding 8 small cubes, 2 cubes of each color. Then we'll carefully glue them together step by step, following the instructions. You can even decorate the cube with drawings or stickers to make it truly one of a kind. This project is perfect for kids, classrooms, or anyone who enjoys relaxing, creative activities. It's easy to make, super satisfying, and will keep you, or your child, engaged for a long time. Watch the full video, follow along with each fold, and soon you'll have your own Infinity Cube that flips forever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep making great content for you.